Hello, this is Alyssa Habian with Jane Wayne Design. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate your Joomla account. So as you can see, this is the home page of your website. We call this the front end of your site because this is what anyone can see when they type in your domain name. Now to access your Joomla account, you're going to type in your domain name, cowboytownstables.com/administrator/. Once you're there, you can then log in with the username and password that either Jane or I will send you. When you log in, you will come to the main menu of your Joomla account. Through Article Manager, you can make many simple changes to your website. Article Manager displays the main pages or articles on your website. If you view one of these pages, for example, your contact page, you should see what is seen on the front end of your website under your contact page. So now from here you can change pictures and text. Let's say you wanted to change the address listed to 150 Lottery Road. You can easily do so. You also have the option to alter your text by making it bold, italicized, and underlined. And you can even change the format of your text altogether. So if you decide you didn't want to change anything, you have the option to undo as much as you would like. We're going to undo all the way. So now let's say you didn't like this picture. You have the option to either delete it, resize it, or change it out altogether. To delete it, you want to highlight it and make sure it's selected, and simply press delete. To resize it, you hold down the Shift button while clicking in here. To resize it. Okay, you hold down the Shift button till you have that arrow, and then click and drag. The reason you should hold the Shift key is to keep the dimensions proportional so there's no distortion. You also have the option to add an image. You can do that down here on the Image icon tab. So when you click on the tab, a menu pops up on your screen. You can either browse through your files on your computer and upload, and when you start upload, it brings it to this file right here, this folder that you can choose from. Now through here, if you select an image, we're going to select this image right here. You simply click Insert, and it will go to your site. Also, through the image URL, you can upload an image through any remote storage system like PhotoBucket or Flickr. So when you have chosen your image, you can then alter it to your liking. We're going to delete that. So there are also options to format your image by selecting it and clicking on this image icon up at the top. Here you can add an image description. Let's say you can add an image description, photo 1, you can change the dimensions, and you can even add a border. And then you just click Update. Once you've made all the necessary changes, you can either preview your site to see what it'll look like in your browser. You can save it, which brings you back to the Article Manager menu. Or you can simply click Apply, and it will keep you on this site right here so you can still make changes. We're going to close out of here. So once you're back into your Article Manager, you have many more options to edit your pages. If you select a page, you can copy it, throw it in the trash, and you have an option to add a new article. If you wanted to add a new article, let's say titled Photos, you click the Add icon, and it will bring you to the new page. Through here, you can add whatever text and images you would like. So let's say you titled it Photos. You can add whatever text you need down here. You can add some images, whichever ones you like. In this section drop-down menu, you always want to make sure it's clicked Uncategorized. So now going back to your Article Manager, you can see that there are two About Us pages right here. The first one has a check mark right under the front page column, where the second one doesn't. The difference between these two is that this About Us tab refers to the About Us sidebar content on your home page. This refers to just this information right here, as you can see. Now the other About Us tab refers to your About page on your website. So it's all about finding out which page goes where. And again, the determining factor is that this About Us page has a check mark on front page. So these are some of the basic tools you need to navigate your Joomla account, and if you have any more questions, feel free to either email Jane or I at janewaynedesign.com. So this tutorial has been developed for you by Jane Wayne Design, and thank you for watching.